Welcome back, guys. In this class, we are going to learn that how we can raise an exception of our own choice. So as a Python developer, you can choose to throw an exception if a condition occur, or you can throw an exception of your own choice. So to throw or raise an exception, you can use the raise keyword. So raise keyword will help you to raise an exception. So let's do an example. Okay, so now let's do an example. I'm defining here a variable x which is equals to -1, and I am using here the if clause. If x is less than 0, then raise an exception, and for that I'm using here the raise keyword and then exception, and then I'm giving here a statement which is sorry number is below 0. So now let's run this and see whether it's working or not. So in this way you can raise an exception of for your own choice as a developer. So let's try another example. Okay, let's change this to integer. And I'm typing here hello, right? And I'm giving here a condition if x, if not, and then I'm using here the keyword type x is int, right? If x is not an integer, then raise here exception only integers are allowed, right? So let's run this and see. Only integers are allowed. So in this way you can throw an exception of your own choice, and you can force the program to terminate and throw an exception. So I hope you learned something, and I hope you will try it by yourself. You can go and find the number of examples on internet. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.